many days to all are discussing, yeah, Guru Barbar inspiration with this, many topics, many classes running, but today came on point. This Gaudiya Parampara, Gaudiya Vichardhara, near. Like this, boys and students are here and they are running, but they don't know which professor, which tutor, where is Acharya, which school is good, where is going, they have no knowledge. But after now, they come in school and college and principal, professor near. Same, when it is after, when in life after, thinking about this Mahaprabhu and his teach, then is all are now will be appointed and online. Otherwise, line is no problem. Maharaj asking his nice heartfelt laughful this course. But this is heartfelt task, then is good. And then all are realizing something. So now is I have no desire to speak about this Shikhastapam. Why? Anudikar Charcha is not good. But this, I can't speak, this is good for me. But speaking, then bad for me. Why? All are understanding different. Acharya, Parampara, Guru Varga, there is explaining many types of many things. But all our concepts are not is one type of. Therefore, anybody thinking another things, this meaning which is, then they giving me cards, and otherwise they will be upset, disturbed. This is big problem. Vaishnavara and Bhakta devotees are thinking, oh, he is very proud, he is every day telling many other things. But all our concepts are different. This is truthful? No. Truthful things is, absolute truth things is, all time is present. But people cannot collecting. This is own faults, own guilties. But where from collecting? How can collecting? How can coming? Therefore is necessary, heartfelt prayer, and that Mahabhagavad are going, then is there giving something. Otherwise, own this practice with this cannot correct it. This meditation is not enough, austerity is not perfect. So now is I am praying and all are combined praying, Mahaprabhu's followers near and Rupa Gururat near, Guru Vargas near, then some conception coming our near. This is will be then is helpful for us. Now I am praying humbly. Before Mahaprabhu, 4 Acharya came and 4 Sampradaya. They are all are teaching. Mahaprabhu's collection before also 4 Sampradaya all are teaching how can we be clean, how can offering bhakti, on obeisances for God, and God with how can make relation, how can going nearby, everything process there is telling and teaching on disciples. Mostly Sri Sampradaya, Manu Sampradaya, very strong etiquette, principle, and Madhya Sampradaya, they are very strong Siddhanta, and Nimbaditya, Rudra Swami, these all are following very nice principle. Then Mahaprabhu, what giving above other things? Now that things try to thinking. Mahaprabhu giving these 8 verses is conclusion. Everything there is present. Now going fast crossing for Sampradaya, then Mahaprabhu. Now what did Mahaprabhu? Everywhere is this Sakya Parampara. Mahaprabhu gave this Parakya. This Parakya is Shrestha, highest, Panchapurushartha. And he is telling Achitya Vedabhed Tattva. Now he is discussing with Ramananda Raya. Varnashrama Acharvato Purusana Parabhuma Vishnu और आदित्य ते बनता नाइनो तत्वों से कारण महाप्रभु से ये पाहियो आगे को हुआ after running Mahaprabhu not happy and pleased. Mahaprabhu last is saying Radha Swarup ko Krishna Swarup Prem kon tattva ras kon roop. Mahaprabhu not happy within this Madhurasa Sakya Parampara program. He is telling you tell me Ramananda Raya, Radha Swarup, Krishna Swarup, Rasa Swarup and Prem Swarup. 4 things Mahaprabhu asked him. After Mahaprabhu, everything discussion after, now he is giving these 8 verses. What is the meaning of Chetu Darpana Marjanam? First I am trying to explaining this 8 verses meaning Ashtakaliya Leela. Nishanta Leela to Ashtajam Sadhan. How can Parakya bhajan for entire, therefore first verses to last verses, all Ashtakaliya Leela Ashtajam Sadhan. They are nothing more. How understanding? Then I am little bit type of prachi. This is not good for me, I know. But otherwise going all our Babaji is in here. And Siddha Pranali. And they nonsense business for going. But no understanding Gaudiya Parampara is, Mahaprabhu's Parampara, Gaudiya Parampara is what is reality. They don't know. They are not meeting with Gurudev. And not he's near to collecting something. They are running Babaji is near here and there. Now, first verses Mahaprabhu say, Chetu Darpana Marjanam. What is the meaning of Chetu Darpana Marjanam? Mahaprabhu, Varnashrama Dharma telling you by you. And Mahaprabhu telling this Chetu Darpana Marjanam, this is starting? No. Starting, this Sakya Parampara, Dwaraka, Mahisi, this Samartha, this Kubja and any others, Mathura, their heart is not clean. Their heart not clean. Why not clean? Chetu Darpana Marjanam. They not appointed. Why they not appointed? Why not? They not following his Brajdevi's footsteps. Nishanta Leela, early morning. They cannot chanting Mangala Sri Guru Gaura Mangala Murati. Mangala Sri Radha Krishna Jugalapati. Gurudev Govinda Lamrita, this Mangala, these experiences time, he is telling everything Bhajan Rahasya. This is Nishanta Leela, Sadhaka for very perfect. Then you are under guidance of Brajdevi. Then Govinda Leela coming in your heart. Then this your heart will be appointed. And then is Chitta Darpana, heart not will be dirty. Other things Mahaprabhu not can telling this is Kam, Krodha, Moh, Master, useless. This is body purpose, this is not soul property. Soul is God-partner person. So that last and this, that things. When he has one cover, next cover, 2 boundary, there is, this is like reflected. Anartha, Paramartha, different things. But Mahaprabhu not touching these things. Mahaprabhu telling Parakya Parampara how. Then Chetu Darpana Marjanam, only you not going Chandravali side, you not going any Dwarka side, You not following this Kupcha and Mathura, any others. Only you are this Brajdevis, Nishanta Lila, Kunjabhanga Lila. That time, you are Polaris. How is feeling is separation. And Chitto Darpan, then is how will be clean meanings. Next, Krishna service for how I will be available. This separation, Dabagani, all time is burning. Now I left in Kunjoto, and I am going distance to him. Big problem now. They are not thinking any other things. This Dabagani burning them. All time suffering. Then saying Sri Koirava Chandrika. First, this Chetudarpana Marjanam, Siddha Bhumika came, Nitya Siddha is not meeting, then there is disturb. Then suffering. Gopal Champu, my Gopal Jiva Goswami Guru writing, Ananda Vrindavan Champu, Govikarna Goswami writing, that gopis are suffering. They hearing his fruits of Krishna. Sometimes they watching this picture of Krishna. Sometimes they distance to looking in Krishna. Oh, there is no burning heart. But they don't know how can I am going close near to him, nearby him, and how can I meeting with him? How can he will be all our lover and friends? How this relation coming, position coming, burn that they don't know. At a time, this heart has many things. I am lower, I am fallen. This there's many things thinking. Then Purnamasi Bhagavati, she is came, and Bank of Jamuna, she is group by group crying. Then she is giving mantra diksha. Daring you chanting, getting power and energy, strength, and after taste, and after realization coming, at a time everything will be. Then came Krishna meeting, but after Krishna 1 year for they left. Next time I am calling you. Then they are Nitya Siddha with this meeting, they are doing training, and they are making very strong. Then Bhava Mahadabagni, this Dabagni separation, no more hating. Sriya Koirava Chandrika Vitaranam, all Koirava Chandrika is Prema Sutyang Susangabhag, this son of pain, this there to rain, light, heat, and all protection is come. Then they are very strong. Vidya Bodhu Jivanam, then they understanding life and soul. And what is Krishna Seva for necessary? Only under guidance is Swarup Shakti, is Parokya Modis, only this is Vidya Bodhu Jivanam. Other things not is life, nothing. Then Vidya Bodhu Anandam Buddhi Parthanam. Then the Anandam Buddhi, Ananda Samudra Magna, Ekanti no Josya, Jevai Bhagat Prapanna, Atudhutam Tatcharitram, Gayanto Ananda Samudra Magna. Then there is involved and observe, they cannot follow anything, morning to evening, they cannot talking and addressing any others, all time this Ananda Samudra. Ebang Pradasya Vyonama Krita, Jatanu Raga, Kuduchi Ruchui, Hasatati, Rodoti Roti, Gayati, Unmadavati, Lokavayo. Then their position is come. And after Gayanta Ananda Samudra Magna, this Ananda Samudra, this other is mercy is flowing. Ananda Swarupini, Alladini Shakti, Swarup Shakti, their flow is come. Sriya Koirava Chandrika, they are to come. Ananda Buddhi Bardhanam, Pratipadam, step by step. How? Ananda Sarvatma Sarapanam. Then they are fully surrendered in Radharani's Swarup Shakti's near. How? Then telling Sri Krishna, Param Vijayate, Sri Krishna Sankirtanam, Param Shrestha, highest Kirtan. What Kirtan? Krishna Kirtan. Who teaching? Brajdevis. Gopi Git, Jugal Git, Brahmar Git, Raj Git, Venu Git, everything, Panchapran, Bhagavatam. These things, Gopis they are learning. Otherwise, you know, one time, one Gopis are praying, Jayati Tedikam Janmana Praja, Sreta Indira Sasadatrahi, Daitrati Chatam Dikshatavuka, Trehita Sava Stan Vichinnati. Another Gopis who are from London, all at the same time is singing new songs. Brahmar Git, Jugal Git, Venu Git, Raj Git, everything. This is Sanma Kirtanam, meaning appointed, no other Kirtan. Krishna Kirtana Gana Nartana Paro. Krishna Kirtan, only Brahdevis are singing, this is Sanma Kirtan. Otherwise, another Kirtan not Sanma Kirtan. Nishanta Lila, all are singing this Mangala Sri Guru Gaura, Mangala Murti. Then, all are one by one coming past this Nishanta Lila 3 hours. Then next verse is saying, Krishna Namanamokari Bhuta Nijasya Shokti. Krishna's Naam and Naam and Roop. What? Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan, Radha Damodar, Radha Samsudra, Gokulananda, Radha Kanta, Radha Vallabh, Radha Gandharva Giridhari, Radha Raman, and Radha Vinod, many names. But all name has Shakti. Like Gopal Bhatta Goswami, Radha Raman has some eternal other love, Ubhar Pavar, and Madan Mohan has other love. But Krishna Swarup one, Nam Namokari, non-difference. But Swarup and this love, this Shakti, this flow, different types of. Niyamita Svarneno Kala. I am thinking, then this Smaran remembering time. One Gopi thinking Radharaman, that two cannot come back. Eyes is there appointed, telling Brahma, alas, you don't know how I is creating. Who is giving 2 eyes also eyelid? You giving me, body has all eyes, all bodies. Then it's good for me, good for us, watching Krishna. Otherwise, Krishna's feet is watching, then there is appointed. Krishna's face is watching, then they are appointed. They cannot return, not going here and there. What can I do? Oh, you don't know how creating. I will be Brahma, then I am teaching you and I am creating like Krishna Darsana Lalasa. Therefore telling Nam Namokari, many holy names, many Swarup you creating, but I have no Shakti. I have no power. What can I do? Crying and weeping. You know, next verse is saying, Tirunadapi all are giving many examples. Very good. But is, you know, one tree has no water in it. Dry tree, then is Tirunadapi is possible. Yet Torrubi Soisuna, Omanna, Manadino, Kryptonia, Sadavari. First is his life and water, Rosa, and then this is Rosamalayam. Then no problem. Everything everything for patience, everything is for you, no problem. But no love, no affection. How can anybody dry heart is tolerating things? Then they ramming here and there. Oh, you insulting me, you torturing me, you telling me something. But he is involved in engaged, he has no time. And anybody telling insulting, and telling yes, you are truthful. Why? You are teaching me. I am did some wrong. And then crying and weeping. Krishna's near, Brahdev is near, I am not qualified. There is teaching. There is my good friend. Never will be angry, never will be disturbed, never will be hopeless. Then Tirunadapi is more meaning humble mood and new inspiration, new instruction, new love, new service for desire. Therefore is waiting. And all time I am how can learning, how will be qualified, how they are accepting. I am very did wrong, all time is false. And guilty are realizing. This is real Tirunadapi mode. Otherwise, by force, by praise, by who can prove anyhow, I try to. This is will be Trinad Vishnu is not possible, or not protection, not a disease, as it is. As it is, Swarup Shakti is Bharatiya Bhav, then gopis are in house, Krishna is playing fruits, then there is running. But some guardians are, there is closing door, taking stick, telling, never giving chances for going anywhere. How going? Then there is leaving this body and thinking about Krishna. First is gone there. Swarup Shakti is expansion, they are making another one deities. There is looking my daughter, yeah, my sister in my house. But there is how is Trinad Vishnu. Everything tolerant, but cannot forget in Krishna. Cannot forget this roots and this love. This is not possible. This love is more increasing. This love for any pain coming, any problems coming, and disturbance coming, this love is more increasing. Not a lost love. So Trinad Vishnu is more meaning, this is I cannot lost this my love and my seva, my desire and my professional service. This is not possible. This is called patience and this is called tolerance. Otherwise, position to get down, I am lost, then how I am Trinad Vishnu? I can protect myself, my service and my bhajan, my guru seva, my mantra, my naam, my this brother is for my respect and love, and then no, I am lost everything, then how can I Trinad Vishnu? Trinad Vishnu, there is everything, the rasam, alayam, this rasam within floating, and then there is everything tolerance, no problem, giving all our respect. Why? More wants, never stop. Drinking, learning, serving, but thinking, I can do anything. Like Das Goswami is praying, Tabai basmi, najibami, toyabina, iti vikya radhi, tangnay mam, charanantiki. हे राधे ब्रजदेवी के चलती नंद सुनु कुत श्री गोवर्धन कल्पपाद तले कालिंदी बने कुत भूसुंताविति सर्वत्र ब्रजपुरे खेदरी महाबीवलो वंदे रूप सनातन रूप जुगोल जीव गोपाल को आवर दे humble राधे ब्रजदेवी की all Brajamandal they are gooping, you know, Rup Goswami Prabhu telling, Jat Kinkari Subhusa Kuluka Kubani, Nityam Parasya Purusasya Sikanda Mole, Jasya Kadar Sunidhi Visvanu Jaya, Tatkeli Kunja Bhavanangan Marjanisham, one broomstick you make me. I am this Vrindavan serving. How is Trinad Vishnu? How is Samananda Prabhu? He is in Narottam Thakur and Srinivas Prabhu, it is Goswami Prabhu's near. Telling Prabhu, you are teaching everything, but how can really realizing? Thesis, theory, all know, but practical, not practicing, then no realization coming, feelings coming. Prabhu, please now you give me instruction and order, how can practical practicing? Then Jiva Goswami Prabhu saying, hey, Samananda Prabhu, go in Vrindavan, narrow way, bank of Jamuna, every hour grooming and cleaning when before Brahma Muhurta, no disturbing anybody, very seriously serving. Narottam Thakur was giving order, he is gone, Khaira Khadirban, and there Radha Vinod, Kunja, and Kishori Kunda, and there is Lokanath Das Goswami, elder, higher class, Manjari, there is you serving and there you grooming until toilet to everything you cleaning, and then you will be really humble. So this service tendency, practical practicing for this Trinad Vishnu is part. Otherwise, cannot come in this Swarup Shakti's power, cannot stay nearby. Any little strong mood come, staying mood come, little distance going to this Brajabhumis, then this mood is disappears. Then realization not possible. This is very far away to us. Therefore Gurudev teaching practically. Himself is doing and himself is teaching and telling everything. The Mahaprabhu's movement Parokia movement, not Shakya also, no Dharma to Kamukha, no these Acharya, other Acharya's Parampara. This is Achinta Vedaveta. These things, understanding for Mahaprabhu, teaching this as this Ashtagali Lila for, Ashtam Sadhan for, Siddha Bhumika for, Parokia Prem for, these Ashta 8 verses. After Mahaprabhu, what is it? Nadanam, Najanam, Nasundari, Kavitamba, Jagadi, Sakamai, Mama, Janmani, Sari, Bhagavad Bhakti, Rahitui, Majjana, Palavidam, Madhuvaitavari, Matpratani, Madanoda, Seva, Tadrita, Brita, Parjaka, Brita, Brita, Mangas, Marlokana, Brahma Singh, Bande, Nanda, Pristina, Padran, Vichnaso, Uddhava Singh, Asa, Maho, Charan, Jusam, Mayam, Brinda, Gulmalata, Sudinam. Oh, you make me Gulmalata also like, no, like I am. Oh, you Nanda King Karam. You make me fit dash to dash small. Never give me proud. Never I will be higher and greatest. Then this mercy cannot come in my heart and head. I am lost everything. And he is saying, no giving Dhanjan, Kavita Sundari, no giving any other things. Otherwise, will you proud? No, therefore no. I am missing in you. I am going distance to you. Anything is giving, that thing is giving meanings, you cheat me. I can like this cheat. I will be your near and continuously serving in you. I am not like distance to 1 second for going you near to. This is Mahaprabhu, very serious thing. Meanings is too many and too much, but I don't like to disturbing anybody. Why all are understanding different Shastra, many conditions for many things is saying. But my conclusion, my understanding, I am not telling anybody accepting, but this is also one way, one process. But this process is Guru Vargas near to all time flowing, anybody collecting, and they thinking, and they realizing, and also they are showering, and they drinking all time, they are will be progress and involved, observe with these things. Next is saying, this one Yam Sadhan, and this explaining will be, I am thinking more than Mahabharata version of Bhagavatam. This one time, early morning Krishna going now, cow said, that to milking, coming, Govinda cooking, and then Govinda Lamrita, everything telling. Pujabad Madam Goswami Maharaj Chaitanya Gauriya Math, there is Kartik month, every 8 hours, 24 hours, 3 hours, they Australia, they doing kirtan. Then 3 hours, one kirtan Chaturarpan Marjanam, meanings, and Bhakti Thakur what is writing, and everything is singing. After next, complete day and night, they singing this, their this verses. And on another sloka there also, there is collecting including. And this is giving only hints. This is sickness from anybody. Own heart is bringing and giving a balance. Then all Ashtakarya Lila, Ashtam Sadhan for, they will be available. One sloka is said is, one Prohar Lila, Ashtajamis, one Jamis present. Now, next saying Krishna, going now forest, cow within cows, then is all are praying Krishna. Then thinking Krishna. And all also, 5 also, everybody. And some Sokha going with him. They are also doing Kirtan and Krishna. After they are Trinadhu Suni, oh now afternoon time. Surya Puja for gone, coming, no coming, coming, no coming. How is he coming? When coming? They are cooking, offering bhoga, arranging, many preparation. They are waiting. Too much preparation. And thinking, I am not qualified. Therefore, Krishna not coming, not accepting. Oh, this after one lila, another lila is coming. Last is telling Asiswa Padatan Pinustuma Vadasta and Marmatam Kartuba, Jatha Vidato Lompoto, Pronomat Prana Taste Soevan Oporo. Yajuitum Nivisana, Susa Prapisaitum, Sunaitum Jugat Sarvam, Govinda Birahanami. One verses. Meanings is Mahaprabhu. First is Swarup Damodar Ramananda Rai, which is in Gambhira, is discussing. And Sikhimaiti Madhavi Devi. After Mahaprabhu, these things giving Nam Prem Malagati, Paraila Sobare. Anybody chanting Harinam, Mahaprabhu with this, and with this, Gadadhar Pandit, with this Prem Nam Sankirtanam. With this any other with Nam Sankirtanam, Mahaprabhu and his followers with Nam Sankirtanam, different. His name is said is Prem, Prema Bhakti, this Prem. Mahaprabhu saying, how understanding this Priyam Sochari, Rebaro Dusi, Betusi Tortoli, this Rajatra time, Mahaprabhu singing, oh, I am also that person, you are that person. Before all are waiting in garden and forest, in the river nearby, when you coming, when I am coming meeting with you, that sweetness, now both are is get married, is one places, but now no more sweetness. So Mahaprabhu showing this Parkya, this all Lila. Rupa Goswami Prabhu understand, Swarup Damodar understand, and then there is learning, teaching, and writing, everything. So this Mahaprabhu's Parkya Parampara, Parkya Lila, these things understanding for the Shiksha Shtakam. This is Mahaprabhu teaching. Another things you are learning, then cannot you understanding this Parkya Bhakti. Then going Shakya Lila, Shakya inside, and lost his life. Like I'm not insulting here, discussing, but really one praying all time. मेरे तो गिरधर गोपाल स्वर्ण कोई, but गिरधर गोपाल telling, not gopis, not Vasdevis, not Manjuri Srimari. Therefore, where gone? Dwarka, and Dwarka is which is meeting, not Braja, no Brajabhumi. Stay Braja, but praying मेरे तो गिरधर गोपाल दूसरा न कोई. भक्तों ठाकुर therefore saying, केवल माधव पूजेश वक्यानि, राधा अनादर करायो भिमानी. Only Madhav worshipping, they are Okyani, ignorance. They don't know anything. They cannot enter in Brajamandal. They disobey and neglecting Srimati Radharani Manjari. Therefore, this Chetudarpana Marjanam means clear is coming, green heart will be Radharani's Dasyo, Paila Dasi Guri, Mahaprabhu, direct, indirect, everything is telling. Paila Dasi Guri, Lolita Sundari, Amar Lohiya Kabe, Siradika Badi, More Samarpibe, Akaseva Samarpibe, Bhaktum Thakur teaching. These things, this line, anybody following, then will be Chetudarpana Marjanam. Then no more disturbance, Bhavanama Davagni Nirvapanam, Sriya Koirava Chandrika Pitranam, full moon, to sign is coming, Krishna Chandra will be very happy. Anybody following with Srimati Radharani's lotus feet and Manjari and Gopis, then Krishna Kirtan possible, Sanma Kirtan possible, and Kirtan meanings understanding. Therefore Mahaprabhu telling he is gone in Gaya. Then he is meeting with Ishwarpuri. He is telling प्रभु बोले तीर्थयात्रा सफल आमार जेखाने देखिलाम चरण तुम्हार तीर्थ पिंड दिले तरे पितृगण तुम्हार देखिले तरे कोटि पितृगण अतएव तुम नय तीर्थर समान तीर्थर परम तुमी भागवत प्रधान. Mahaprabhu meeting with Ishwarpuri and he is near is praying and he is near requesting taking this Gopal mantra. And he is saying, Kiba mantra dila gosai, kiba tar phal, jopite mantra, korida pagal. Oh Prabhu, what is giving mantra you? This mantra I am chanting, I am mad and crazy, I don't know. I can control myself. That mantra chanting, then will be Chetudarpana Marjanam, Manana Tayati mantra, they Gopijana Valla. They are near is you are will be offer yourself. Then is you understanding what is the meaning of Chetudarpana Marjanam. Then no more proud, no more ego, no more any dividing Sakya Parampara, no Darkadis followers, 10, one wife, 10 son and one daughter, and grandson son, and many house and building, opulence. This opulence will be finished. For Sampradaya, all things, this year will be finished. Sadhan, Vidimarga will be finished. Bhakti Thakur therefore telling, Vidimarga Ratjane, Sadhinata Ratjane, Rajmarge, Karana Pravesh, Ragavasavati Hoye, Parakiya Bhavasre, Laveji, Krishna Premavesh. This Vidimarga, to how can I crossing? Independently not possible. Sadhinata Ratjane. You give freedom, you come, you serve your with this Anurag, and this Anurag with this you understanding what is Chetudarpana Marjanam, what is Parokiya Bhav, then Parokiya mood understanding. Therefore, Mahaprabhu is Sikshashtakam. All are very deeply try to understanding and try to following, praying. Last year, Guru Purnima after like 1 month, all are is 10-15 days, here is this Sikshashtakam, all are is try to remember, try. But this year, Maharaj next is bringing this topic, but this is one verses, explain then going one life. But mostly to try to understanding Mahaprabhu's mood, Mahaprabhu's desire, Mahaprabhu's compassion, Mahaprabhu's this higher, this goal, and what he want to giving us. He not giving this Chetudarpana Marjanam means this body heart is cleaning. What happened then? What is benefit becoming? This body heart cleaning and then mind heart cleaning and then this mind and body, you know. 5 elements to making this body, and mind is this is also nonsense. This is what is this? Also some this subtle body, and soul is different things, and soul has another mind, soul has another senses. Then the soul for this body treatment, what is workable? What is useful? Something helpful. A temple is clean, I am sitting, I am changing. But this body is not my permanent thing. This is cleaning and purifying. This is not will be permanent. And this mind is not permanent. Why not this thinking, this thing? Why there is using this medicine? Chetudarpana Marjanam is body cleaning, mind cleaning. This is not enough. All are following the Swarup Siddhi, soul. And soul is part and parcel of God. Without Parokiya Prem, Parokiya Rasa, this soul cannot develop it, and not meeting, and not getting relationship permanent. Why not thinking about this all time? Chetudarpana Marjanam, so this is only using for this body. I can understand. Chanting mantra, no realization come. Only for body cleaning, like buffalo cleaning. After what happened? Sometimes after I lost his body, sometimes after this is broken and fallen useless. Thinking about this. Parokiya, Rasa. Then appointed. Then no problem coming. No misunderstanding. No missing anything. No this wealth and health and mundane things for 5 elements for you will be involved in observing these things. You crossing everything. This is our Gaudiya Parampara. And forgive me, my Anudika